Hey, boss. What you got there? Oh, this? This is Kelptastic, of course, from TNB Naturals. Whoa. What's Kelptastic, boss? North Atlantic kelp meal, of course. Well, what's North Atlantic kelp meal good for? Oh, North Atlantic kelp meal? Well, it's got all kinds of benefits. So, boss, what are the benefits of Kelptastic North Atlantic kelp meal? Well, the benefits are it improves your nutrient uptake, it improves moisture retention, it improves the growth and flower production, root development, and lateral growth. It improves your soil structure as well as your microbial activity. And it can also help with stress relief. It also gives you vitamins and nutrients which aid in the growth of the plant. Wow, boss, that sounds fantastic. Well, not fantastic, Kelptastic, of course. So tell me, boss, how do you use Kelptastic? Oh, well, that's easy. We're about to do that right now. So all you gotta do is get your bag of Kelptastic and open her up. As you can see, the product is basically just kelp from the North Atlantic Ocean, all ground up and ready to go and to put in your garden. And what I do is I just use it as a top dress. So you just grab a nice little handful and spread it around the garden. Nice and simple. We'll make sure that this Diet Durban right here from Seedsman gets some nice kelp here, because we want to make sure that everything gets the benefits of Kelptastic within the garden. It's a simple process, and then you just take your hands and you scratch it in the top, and it's a nice little top dressing here to provide you all the benefits of kelp meal. Well, boss, that sounds fantastic and so easy to do. It sounds like everybody should be getting some of this fantastic Kelptastic from TNB Naturals. Where can they get some? Well, all they have to do is go to tnbnaturals.com, of course, and check out the products there. Not only do they have this fantastic Kelptastic, but they also have other products like the Enhancer and the Enricher. The Enhancer is a CO2 dispersal system. You just hang it, give it a shake, and your plants will get the nice CO2 enhancement that they need. Give it a shake a day and your plants will love you. And then, of course, don't forget to enrich those plants with a little magnesium. The Enricher from TNB Naturals is a great product. All available to you at tnbnaturals.com. Go check it out today. Wow, boss, that's awesome.